Hey guys, it's Katie and welcome back to another vlog. Today is the first day in the past week and a half that I've not felt like absolute crap. And you might have noticed that's why there's been an absence of videos on my channel across both of my channels. Cappy, what do you need to say? You're a little whiny right now. Well, someone needs attention. It's okay, me too. I went to the doctor because I wasn't feeling well. I tested negative for COVID, so no, it's not that. It's just a like cold sickness that's been going around, and it's been going around here for a while. I know so many people who've had the same symptoms as me. My throat was so swollen and so like congested and hurt so bad. I literally couldn't talk for like 2 days because it hurt so bad.
Posting this video today on Sunday, November 15th, and this is what I sound like now because I lost my voice again. I have another cough drop, so everyone pray for Katie.
This dog really needs attention. Hey girl. And then it was moving up to my ears and my sinuses, and my ears were like so clogged and so like pressured. That's what it felt like. I still feel really bad, but I don't feel as bad as I felt for the past like 4 days. Was really bad. So I decided to pick up the camera and vlog some. I just got home from school. Sorry, I didn't even say the date or the time. It's Thursday, November 12th at 12:22 in the afternoon, and I just got home from school. Normally my mom's home by now, but she just wrote me a note, which is really sweet. Hi sweetie, went for a run with Mel. Hope you're feeling better today. If not, get some more rest and I'll make you tea when I'm back. Love you so very much, from my mom. I love Carrie. I've literally been coming home every day and she's been making me hot tea, and I just take a nap in my bed for hours and watch Breaking Bad because I'm so physically exhausted and my head hurted so bad. But like I said, I'm sucking it up. I'm manning it up today. This is the first time I put on like an outfit. This isn't even an outfit, it's comfy. I just got these new red sweats and I like them a lot. And then I just wore this cropped tank that says Los Angeles, and it's from Shein. I know they're canceled, but it is what it is. And then I have my red Converse as normal. So I went to Starbucks on the way home from school because I needed something to make my throat feel better. I've been drinking a lot of tea, a lot of water. The doctor said to stay hydrated, and I've been taking these horse pills every day. Oh my gosh, even talking right now like hurts so bad. Oh, I also got tested for strep. I tested negative, so it's just like a cold that's going around. I have no idea. It sucks. I've been taking these pills for the past like few days, Sudafed, and I took 8 yesterday. I'm supposed to be taking photos with Van today. We were supposed to do it yesterday, but the weather was so bad. It's still not great, but it's better, and I need some Instagram pictures. Y'all know my Starbucks order by now, but if you don't, it's a venti green tea with lemonade with light ice, and it was the super nice Starbucks guy today. You guys remember him from my video? I should have vlogged it, but I didn't have my camera with me. He was super nice. He sang me a song. I'm gonna take my drugs. Hope to Jesus that I start to feel better. Since I felt absolutely terrible, I got a cake pop, and look, this made my entire day. Snowman seasonal cake pop. Thank the Lord for cake pops, man. I needed that for my heart and soul. And look, the Christmas cups. I don't get like hot drinks because I don't like coffee, but look at the Christmas cup. Last update for now, I promise. I made biscuits today in culinary class. Look at how good they look. I made these homemade from scratch. I made 2 batches because I had so much time, and chef was like, kind of killed that, and I was like, yeah, I know. What is your problem, girl? Say hi to the vlog. They know you're here. I'm gonna go relax for a while, suck on some cough drops, hopefully make my throat feel better, and then man up for this photo shoot. I hope I'm doing a good job of acting like I feel okay when I don't on this vlog. Fake it till you make it, am I right? It's now 1:40 and Van is about to come pick me up to go take some photos. I think we're gonna go to the lake right by my house and shoot there because my mom said there's really pretty trees. So that's exciting, but here's the full fit. This is just what I wore to school, and it's what I'm wearing today. Like I said, this cropped tank is from Shein. Then I just have these red sweats paired with my red high top Converse. I get so many questions about my jewelry. I always wear a necklace that says my name on it or my initial or something. This one says Katie spelled out letter by letter, and it's from Adina's Jewels on Instagram. I love them so much. Everyone go follow them. They're the best. And then this chain is from Forever 21, and I love it because it's like big and bulky. Also, I love the print on this, like the Los Angeles with like the fire and devil. So sick. Like I said, I think we're gonna go to the lake. Van wants to get Chick-fil-A, and then we're gonna go back to his house and choose the pictures. That's what I always do because we take so many. I choose the ones I like the best, and then he only edits those. That has been there for so long.
No, it hasn't. This is a new one. The other one's in the bushes.
You threw the squash in the bushes?
Yes, the one with your sticker on it. I want to eat butternut squash, but I don't know how to do this.
You look ridiculous.
Oh, I know this.
You want to tell my vlog anything? You should tell them to use the code FALL10 for 10% off their merch purchase.
Oh yes, use 10%. It's good. Do it now before Christmas
Yeah. You're not even wearing the one day you don't wear my merch.
I know, I had it on this morning, but I took
know.
it off because I didn't want to sweat in it.
Beer is good, beers are better.
Yeah.
Hey.
Hi.
Say hi to the vlog. Why are you always in my vlogs?
Because you decide to vlog when I'm here.
No, it's just because I vlog when I do stuff and I rarely do stuff, so when I hang out with Van, I vlog. We made it kind of to the lake. We're close to the lake, but we're not gonna take pictures at the lake, but there's really pretty yellow trees, and we all know how Katie feels about yellow, so we're gonna take advantage of it. Look how beautiful it is outside. These are those birds that eat dead stuff. Oh, cacao. Look how beautiful. Oh my goodness. I love it here. I don't even know how I want to pose.
I don't know how you should pose either.
We gonna take some more once all the people pass and all the cars go away. Well, we're now back at Van's and we're in his office.
What's up?
This is actually his office, his studio. Van, the camera guy. And we're gonna look at these photos on this big iMac and hopefully choose some good ones. Do you think I'm gonna be able to post these today?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
100%.
great. Okay, so we're gonna scroll through these and hopefully some of them turn out good.
I forgot the camera.
Nice. Hi guys, so that's my face on the screen. You probably will see this on my Instagram, and if you do, go comment on it. But we have like 400, how many were there? 380?
Too many.
Too many pictures to do the same filter too.
So Katie thinks I'm weird because I like to write down my ideas on a notepad. Do y'all write down your ideas on notepads? Yo, let us know in the comment section.
I put it in my notes.
That's a notepad. It's the same thing.
No, this is weird. And you have it like actively all over your desk.
This is my desk setup, yeah. I got Chick-fil-A, my phone, and then my notes over that. You have issues, mate. The weirdest thing in my room is that pizza box thing up there.
No, it's me.
You got this, bro.
Come on.
You got this, bro.
So close.
Come on.
Oh,
come
focus.
on. Yeah,
There,
yeah. Come
yeah.
on.
You
come
can
on.
do it.
Come on.
So close. There's only like so. Oh, there we go.
Boom.
Everybody
I'm done.
go
Get out of
like-
my house, bro.
Go like and comment on the pictures, y'all.
Bro, I'm gonna fart on you if you don't leave this.
I'm leaving. We're leaving. So it's much later and I fell asleep and my throat started really hurting again. When I have to be talking a lot or I'm just like communicating with people, my throat starts getting really, really bad again. I have another cough drop. These are like the medicated ones, so they numb your throat, which is good because it makes it easier for me to talk. I did some homework, I ate a cookie, and I'm pretty sure some more merch came in. I don't know if you guys know this, but I give my merch to a lot of people. I order merch for my family, for my friends. I think a package just came in for it, so that's really exciting. I'm gonna go check the front door. I did in fact just run outside in a sports bra while it's freezing cold out. I guess we're just gonna go with this. Do not mind my outfit. I'm looking quite bummy, but it's okay. I'm gonna work out in a little while. I'm listening to the Impulsive podcast, but here is the first merch package. We ordered $300 worth of merch to give to friends and family for Thanksgiving, for Christmas, just for funsies. Let's see what's in this one. Also, guys, do not forget that the fall collection, the entire fall collection, including beanies, long sleeves, sweatshirts, stickers, so much stuff, is 10% off right now using the code FALL10. Use the discount code to save 10% now and get your Christmas shopping done, get your Thanksgiving shopping done, get your birthday shopping done. Get the merch while we're at a discount right now for the holiday season. If it's something you've been asking for, tell your parents to get it now while there's a discount. One thing came in this bag, and this is such an important thing. Guys, I got my best friend Maddie a blanket. She's gonna watch this and text me and be like, oh my gosh, it came in. I have not seen my best friend from Florida, Maddie, in almost 2 years now. It's been over 1.5 years, which is so sad. It's been so hard to try and figure out travel plans with COVID and with our busy schedules. So I'm really sad about it. I wanna visit her in December for her birthday, but again, with COVID, it's just super hard. She's been wanting some merch for the longest time, and one of the things that she wanted the most was a blanket. And I have to say that the blankets are one of my favorite merch items I have on my entire shop. I love mine and I sleep with it every night, so I got her one. Maddie's birthday is also in December, so I thought this would be like a good birthday present. Here is the blanket. It is a Katie's Corner blanket. This thing is huge and so warm and soft. Like, oh my gosh, I love this. I'm so excited that this came in for her. Maddie, I hope if you're watching this, you're surprised. Y'all should definitely get yourself a Katie blanket because they're so soft. Alrighty, folks, welcome to the gym. It is now almost 9 and I'm going to work out. Today is a glutes day and I've been incorporating heavier weight, more in like the 30-pound dumbbells. With heavier weight training, when you're lifting, you're supposed to use flat shoes. That way your foot has good support. So if you're wondering why I am wearing Converse, it is because they they are extremely flat shoes that are really good for lifting. So I'm not gonna record my workout today because you guys know that's not my favorite thing to do. I'll be focusing on strength training in my abs and my booty, and I'm really excited to get a good pump in. I did glute training yesterday and my butt is sore, which is good. That means we're getting them gains. I'll see you guys later. Time to get a good grind in. So it's the next day, it's Friday, and I just got home from school, and I went to drop lunch off at my dad's office, and I picked up a package, and I am so excited about this package. I thought I'd add to this vlog by unboxing this, and thank you so much to print_creations on Instagram. This talented dude reached out to me and wanted to send me some custom Jordans, and you guys know how much my shoe problem is and how many shoes I truly have. I think I have like 70 pairs of sneakers now, and that is not me over exaggerating. So he customed me a pair of mid Jordan 1s, and they're all white, obviously. They only come in men's sizes. So this is a men's 8 and I'm a women's 9.5, and let me just show you how talented this guy is. Everything down to the little detail of the wrapping. Oh my god! The wrapping paper he put in here to match. Y'all, he saw me wear this one shirt on my Instagram, and if you follow my Instagram, you probably know which one I'm talking about, and customed these based off that shirt. They're so pretty. They're pink and blue, and then the tie-dye of the colors in the middle of these beautiful Jordan 1 mids. So thank you so much. Everybody better go follow him on Instagram. Tell him that you came from Caiti. His Instagram is Print Creations. Let me show y'all. They have 10K on TikTok and a bunch of followers on Instagram, so go check them out. Spread the love and support that we do on Caiti's channel, and subscribe to their YouTube channel. I'll link it down below. But thank you so much. You will definitely be seeing these in my shoe collection and added to my shoe closet, and I'm so hyped to wear these. Thank you again. Like, I'm so grateful. Like, this is so crazy that these things just get sent to me. Like, I love them so much. But I think that's all for this vlog. I don't have too much more to add to it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Go check out the pictures that Van took of me on my Instagram. If you're coming from this vlog, then comment happy fall, y'all, on the pictures that Van took of me. I'll be posting some more of those soon, but comment happy fall, y'all, and I'll know you guys came from the vlog. You guys did that on my last Instagram post, and I liked like all the comments, which was super cool. But I hope you have an amazing day, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to check out Print Creations, subscribe to their YouTube, follow their Instagram. Some people are just so incredibly talented, and that's insane. But I love you guys. Have an amazing day, and I'll hopefully see you guys in my next video. Peace in the Middle East.